smoking ban?
Yes, probably.
Have you read the memorandum?
Not really, pero nakikita ko siya dun sa mga stalls na ibabawal yung benta ng ito. Actually, hindi. Kasi nakakakuha pa rin naman ako ng yosi inside the campus. Tapos nakapag-smoke pa rin naman ako sa tambayan. Kasi hindi ko naman alam kung saan yung designated smoking areas.
Do you know about the consequence that you can actually get a sanction or worse, even kicked out from UP once you're caught smoking within the campus?
No. Kasi, ewan ko nag-smoke naman ako, may SSB sa tabi ko. Hindi ko naman nakikita. I mean, hindi naman nila ako pinagbabawal. There are some na sabi, alimbawa yung guards, ay, kuya bawal mag-smoke dito kasi may smoking ban. Pero yung iba naman, parang nag-join pa sila sa'yo eh. Yung mga SSB.
Aware of the smoking?
Yeah, I've heard it since a few months back.
And what do you think of its effectivity right now?
Well, I'm not sure actually that people actually do notice there's a change. And well, in OU, because I'm from OU, it's a big difference because people really hide it already. You hardly see anybody even outside smoking. They have to really walk away far from it because it's one building, the SCC. But within this area, they won't even really catch people or try to discipline them. Even like while they're doing it, while they're at it. I mean, it's a big place. So.
Do you know that there's actually a consequence that you can actually get kicked out from school?
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay, well, I don't know. I thought there was going to be a penalty or a fine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now you know. Thank you very much.
Don't smoke. Do you smoke?
Yeah.
Are you aware of the smoke?
No.
Are you aware of the smoking ban?
Yes.
Have you read the memorandum?
I think we did.
Yeah. Like,
Do you agree to it or not?
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't mind because I'm asthmatic. So, it's...
Yeah, I don't like smokers either.
Are you going to follow it or not?
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you aware that when smokers are caught within the UP campus, they can be sanctioned? Worse, they can be kicked out of school.
No, I didn't know that.
What do you think about it?
It's kind of harsh.
Yeah, to be too extreme.
But you agree with the ban?
Yeah, pero maybe they should like lessen the punishment or something.
Why?
Well, being kicked out of school for smoking seems too extreme. Maybe you should like, I don't know, +1 a grade.
Okay. Thank you. So you've read the memorandum. So you've read the memorandum, right?
Yes.
Did you see anything fishy? Anything that you would want to correct yourself?
Not really.
Not really.
No.
So you'll just accept it, period.
Well, what I read there was that, I don't know, smokers wouldn't be allowed in the college units lang naman. So, parang sa akin, okay pa yun.
Within college units yung nabasa mo. Are you sure you read the right memorandum?
Well, I read yung nakapost dun sa bahay, well, village niya, so
Tingin nyo
I guess it's the same thing.
Tingin nyo na i-implement naman siya within the campus?
Is it being followed?
Hindi.
No.
Hindi.
For like example.
But well, okay.
Yeah.
Yung mga SSB, nagsasmoke, meron kaming sa mga college units mismo na hindi mga estudyante nag-UOC, so yun.
Like faculties, ganun.
And staff.
Yung mga janitors.
Sino pa?
Name dropping na.
Meron
May nagbebenta ba sa college nyo ng ano?
Doon sa secret tindahan. Meron, di ba? Alam ko meron.
Secret tindahan?
Secret tindahan talaga yung tawag.
Yung mga police.
Oo, actually, may SSB dyan. Pagkatapos ng Diyos, pero hindi naman kami sinasaway. Tapos may dumating na teacher. Nung nilapit kami yung teacher para sabihin na you're not supposed to smoke in here. Binunong kami. At saka lang lumapit yung SSB, tsaka kami sila.
Actually, hindi sila nananaway masyado.
Minsan ano ba, parang ano lang nila na pakibaba yung news para hindi makita ng iba. Para hindi masabi na hindi nila ginagawa.
Okay, do you smoke?
Yes!
Are you aware of the smoking ban? Have you read the memorandum?
Hindi pa talaga.
But you've gone through it.
Sort of.
And if you have, nabasa mo yung part about the consequences?
Hindi.
Hindi. Aware ba kayo sa mga pinagagawa ng mga SSD?
Alam ko naninita sila. Yun lang.
Okay. So do you think the ban is effective overall?
Nope. Tingin ko hindi. Okay. Kasi parang kunyari, pagkalabas namin sa klase dun sa AS, mga kayosi rin kami sa side, di ba, AS steps. Sa sides, nakakapag-yosi kami dun, wala man lang naninita. Tapos, dito sa FA, saan-saan na rin lang kami nag-yosi. Though nung una, may designated spot sila para makapag-yosi. Pero ngayon, laganap na lang kahit saan na lang nakakapag-yosi kami. Liban na lang sa harap ng faculty. Ayun.
Okay, thank you.